This is a recap of the first week of the $5,000 prop firm challenge, and we are already up almost 4% already of the account, and that's $169 in only 2 trades, right? Obviously, the first trade was a losing trade, right? I took the first trade on a Thursday, the 19th of February, and we lost 2% of the account, and then on Friday, which is 20th of February, we actually took the second trade and we recover back, making, back the loss and also making almost 4% gain on the account. So I'm going to quickly be showing you the chart itself, the trade, and also I'm going to show you the other breakdowns. Obviously, if you want to see the real trade analysis that we took from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, there was no trade because there was no trade set up at all. So what I did was that I was basically patiently waiting. And if you go to my channel, you go to the live section over here, you're going to see all the analysis itself. So look for the ones that have 5K challenge day 5, 5K challenge day 4, 5K challenge day 3, 5K challenge day 2, and then 5K challenge day 1. Those are the ones where you can actually see the actual breakdown of the trades that I was taking, right? And basically, I was able to see a trade opportunity on the Thursday and also on the Friday, which you can actually see right here. I think this is the day. Let me see. This is the Thursday one. This is the day 4. So you can just scroll to the section where we were actually taking the trade, and then you can watch. You can rewatch the video to rewatch the analysis how we took the trade. At this point, this was exactly when I took the first trade, and it was running straight to stop loss, right? So the first trade I took on Thursday was a buy on Nasdaq. Obviously, it was a good setup, right? And I can show you right here. So what happened was that Nasdaq was at a demand level right here. So Nasdaq was at this level, and I obviously knew that okay, we can actually buy Nasdaq because it was good. But the thing is that as soon as I was going to put in a buy, the price already moved so high that my entry was now somewhere at the top here. I was so sad because now it means that I don't have a good place to put my stop loss. So the first trade was a loss because I wasn't able to put the stop loss at the correct level, right? But anyway, it is what it is. And so I let the trade go. And then on Friday, which is the day 5, and let me see, this is where it actually started. So you can also go back to rewatch the day 5 recap, the live stream itself on my channel. Click on the live section, then watch the day 5 challenge. And then, but just to show you, as soon as I enter the trade on that day, on Friday, the trade just started flying into profit. Like as soon as I entered the trade, like as soon it was New York session, so as soon as I came, and then I entered the trade, it just immediately started flying into profit, right? And then so basically, it was a good one, and honestly, we were able to do that because we applied the same trading system that I'm actually working with. So anyway, this video is just a recap to show that the challenge is actually going well, right? We're already up, $169, and we only need a few more money now to go. I'm very confident now that by next week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, between Monday and Wednesday, if we get a good trading opportunity, we're going to smash this phase 1, and then we can move on to the phase 2. And anyway, I think that's it. No need to celebrate yet. The work's not yet done, and we need to, smash the full challenge itself. But the trade setup itself is very straightforward. I basically wait for Nasdaq to get into a demand zone, and then I see the reaction of buyers in that level, and then I took the trade. Especially if you see the trade that happened on Friday, the trade was an absolute beauty. You see, we have Nasdaq from moving from this level over here down to this point over here. Like it was almost a 379 points movement, and it was incredible. Feel free to watch the channel. Go to the channel, go to the live section, and then you can watch the recap again over there. All right, that's gonna be it for this update, and I'm very confident that into the new week we're gonna smash the challenge itself and go to the phase 2, and eventually get a live account and get payout, and that's gonna be cool. All right, guys. So have fun, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye bye for now.